What's good, y'all? It's Havoc with Punch and Profit. I'm gonna show you how to get 50 points with little to no drawdown. Okay, even if you miss the initial move or a massive reversal. Okay, as you can see here, if I grab the measuring tool from this breakaway gap, it's about a 130 point move. Okay, to the upside. Now, I want to be clear, we did not get an A plus entry this morning. No confluences, no signals. Okay, but we get this breakaway gap that is untouched and it just moves to the upside. Now, were there ways you can get in on this move early? Sure, but not with my method of trading. But that's no big deal because I have a better solution for you, a safer solution, and a more profitable solution for you. And it happens very, very quickly when your limit order is tapped into. So right here we have the 930 opening marked out in the green vertical line. As we move down, we print our first fair value gap. It's a bearish one marked out in red. Okay, we come down, we fail to tap into our higher time frame level of interest marked out in this purple box on the daily time frame. So that's one failed confluence we don't get. Okay, second, we do not get an SMT. Third, we do not get a early inversion. Okay, we do get this breakaway gap, but we do not get an inversion until we get all the way back up to our first fair value gap printed. And it's right here, that bullish inversion that happens right here. You could have gotten in here and you could have gotten a nice move, but you have to take into consideration that you may have to deal with about a 70-point drawdown. That is possible. It can pull back on you like that. But why even deal with that when you don't have a clear move and clear entry or confluences? You can just rely on this breakaway gap. You're going to have to be patient. And the cool thing is you don't even have to look at this trade. You just put your limit order in down here. Okay, you observe how the market moves, and if it takes a while to come back, you can put your limit order right here after your 10 to 11 silver bullet hour has finished. You didn't get a clear setup. I want you to put that limit order at the bottom of this bullish breakaway gap. And as you see right here, now initially you will put your stop at the low. Okay, your limit order at the low of the gap. We'll zoom in on this. Okay, you will get entered in. Look at this drawdown. It's next to nothing. Okay, over here, we only take about 4 to 5 points of drawdown. Okay, and when you tap into this order, look, you get this inverted. Let's move this for a second. Let's move this for a second. I want y'all to see this. So, as you tap in and you fill that breakaway gap, you get an inversion. You get the bearish fair value gap right here, and then you get the bullish overlapping. You get this inversion. As soon as you get that inversion and it closes, I want you to move your stop loss from the low, and you can either put it at this low right here that was just recently created, or you can bring it to break even. For here, we'll keep it for the sake of the discussion right at that new low. This is about an 8 to 1 move. Okay, now we can move this back over. 50 points. We tap into it immediately. We go back up. Boom, we hit our target. Little to no drawdown. And what I love about this move is it happens very quickly and fast. Okay, so if you miss out, even if you do get an A plus entry, right, and you missed out on it, you can still take advantage of that breakaway gap. Okay, in this case, we didn't get one, and same result. Now, you will not go for anything more than 50 points. Okay, in order to get more than a 50-point move, you would have to taken this low out. Okay, you would have to taken that low out, and that would have killed the whole idea to begin with. So nothing more than 50 points from the fill of the bottom or the top of the gap if it's vice versa the situation. Now, let's run over this one more time. We had our 930 open at the green line. We move down. We print our bearish fair value gap. Okay, we don't hit our higher time frame level of interest. We do not get an SMT. We do not get an inversion until we get all the way back up here. We do get a market structure shift all the way up here. But like I said, no clear move, no clear entry, no clear signals, no point in taking it. Why try to mess with any of this when you can just place your limit order, okay, at 11 o'clock? Okay, if nothing happened in your favor, place your limit order, put your stop at the low initially, wait till the price action comes back at down, it taps you in. Once you get that inversion, you move your stop loss up at break even or at the new low, the recent short term low, and boom, you get your 50 points. And what I love about this trade is I can leverage a lot into it. I'm taking little to no drawdown, and it usually moves pretty quickly, as you can see right here. Boom, hit your take profit immediately. This is Havoc with Punch and Profit. For more trade ideas, comment down below, like the video, subscribe. Stay blessed and stay safe.